Today is Friday, January 14th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Original Vintage Rochester Carburetor, California Edition. This is a fully restored carburetor with the brightwork zinc plated as a show quality restoration. This has all of the support for the California Edition smog pump. And this is a beautiful show quality restoration in the original dichromate brownish greenish hue body, as was period correct for Rochester. The Rochester Quadrajet 1976 California Edition 500 cubic inch Cadillac engine. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, such as these beautiful, fully restored Rochester show quality carburetors. This is George in Florida. Today is January 14th. Thank you very kindly. Friday.